Hi friends, WordPress is a great platform for creating professional websites. In this video, we are going to target these websites, any of these websites, for a startup or SaaS or software landing. So we have multiple homepage options with the theme that we are going to use, like you can use the theme for agency, startup, corporate, SEO, co-working, studio, fintech, and of course the main layout is here. So this is really wonderful layout. I like this very much. And the theme that we are going to use and overview is called Pollock. And it is a dedicated theme for SaaS software startup. And it has been developed by the TP Labs. Okay, the theme came into existence last year only, and the regular updates are also going on. So let us start creating a wonderful website using Pollock WordPress theme. I have this fresh installation of WordPress core, and it is running the default WordPress theme. I'm using this shared hosting plan with cPanel, and I'll show you the theme pack that you'll get through the video description link at the themeforest.net. So you have to follow the links given in the video description for everything that you need for your website. Okay, so in the theme pack, I have this installable theme file, one plugin I can see here, and the demo content, documentation, and licensing part. So we are going to use this for our installation. To install the theme, it is going to be very simple, but yes, we have to follow the exact steps. We can head to the appearance section. Further on themes, we can click on add new theme, upload theme, choose file. Choose here the pollock.zip. This is only the installable file, and simply click on install now. It's going to be uploaded within few seconds. Yes, theme got installed successfully. So I'm using a WordPress optimized hosting plan. You can also avail the same through the WP Themes website. Just explore the links. Let us go to the theme page. On the theme page, we have now this additional theme. Pollock is here. You can check the details. I'm using version 1.1.6 by TP Labs. The theme developers are TP Labs. So when you will order the theme, maybe on later dates, at the theme forest, you might be getting an updated version of theme. But the installation steps will remain almost same. Let us activate the theme. Upon activation, we have this alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to get the complete functionality. Let us see which are the plugins here. 10 plugins that we need to install. In a quick review, which plugins are here, I can see the advanced Ajax product filters for Woocommerce. Of course, this theme is going to support the Woocommerce. So if you are even planning for an e-commerce website, you can use this theme. Elementor is the page builder. MailChimp is here for the email subscription forms. Master layer add-ons for Elementor. Okay. MetForm for Elementor form builder. It is also good. OneClick is for importing the demo content. SVG image support. ShopEngine is additional things for Woocommerce. WP Social and the Woocommerce itself. So I'm trying to install all these 10 plugins. I have selected all and clicking on install, apply. If it works, it may install all the 10 plugins listed here. All are recommended. You don't need to install necessarily any of these plugins, but yes, if you need feature at your website, these recommended plugins are actually required. So I would recommend to install all the plugins. Later you can decide if you are not using any feature coming from a specific plugin, you can deactivate and delete that particular plugin. So it is a good idea to have the complete installation at first instance, and later you can decide what actually you are going to use at your website. Wonderful. So all these 10 plugins have been successfully installed in a single attempt, and I can see all activation has also been completed. That means the installation and activation had been done successfully, and I can see all the green marks here. It is good. And now we have installed the theme and all set of plugins, even activated all the plugins, and this is time when we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme and all set of plugins. Okay, so this is the basic look. don't have any content, and we have target website like any of these. So all these layouts are really very good, and you can choose any of these layouts. In fact, there are many home pages. The complete set of website is available here. You can use any of these layout, but yes, you need to import the demo content. So let us explore where we can import the demo content. Under appearance, so I'll return to the dashboard just to check whether we need any action. So it is here. We can simply ignore all these alerts and no thanks, dismiss. Okay. So now, developing meta stories, ShopEngine, MetForm. Okay, this is a new thing. I believe I can explore this as well. And now I'm going to search where we can import the demo content. Okay, so under appearance, there is a link called import demo data. I'm going to open this first of all. Okay, so this is the single link that we can click, import demo data. On the next screen, there are some more plugins. We can simply click on continue and import. This will begin the demo content import process, and it is going to take time, maybe 5 minutes or even 10 minutes, depending upon your server capacity, internet speed, and all the environment that you are using. But yes, you have to show your patience. Don't hit the back button. Don't refresh the page. If you are really eager to check what is going behind the screen, you can open media library in another tab and just check if you are getting images. It means the demo import process is going fine and you have to wait here. So as I said, we have multiple options. We can target any of these layout, and all these layouts are very good. So I can check some internal pages. This is service page, very professional in look. About us page, good and modern. Projects page. This is projects, and the contact us page, that is really very important. And the sign up option is also here for my accounts. So we have great layout, and the speed is also good, and we will check the speed at our installation exactly. And it is, the demo import process is going fine, and I am going to refresh this screen just to check the increase. Okay, now it is now 57. Initially it was 20 or 28. So it is moving fast, going fast, and we have to wait here. And after 2 minutes of this demo import process, I can see I have received 133 media items, and it is great that we are getting all the media items, especially for this abstract image, vector images that we can use directly at our website. This is really very good. And rest of images can also be used just in case if you need to do so. But yes, it is always recommended to use your own images at website. It gives you your website unique impression, and vector image can be used directly. Demo import process is still going on, and we have to wait without disturbing this screen. And I can see this wonderful message. It is simply saying, congrats, your demo was imported successfully. You can now begin editing your site. I am happy to see this message. And first of all, I am going to refresh this page to check how many media items we have received. 252 media items. It is really a big number. This is why it took. So it took around 5 to 7 minutes in importing the demo content for my installation. And I really like this collection of vector images that has been provided in the demo content that I am going to use with other websites as well. So, okay, it is really good. Now I will check the number of pages that we have received. Okay, 25 published pages. All home pages are here. We can choose any of the home pages, and the home main is here. And now I am going to refresh this page to check our new website. Great one. This is really great. This is in fact landing one. And I'll check the rest of pages. Home main is here. It is really complete, First of all, we can set this home page. So I'm going to choose this one. You can choose any of these home pages. All home pages are available. So I'll fix the home page. First of all, I'll check the permanent links. That is really very important setting that we need to check before we proceed. So it is on day and name. I'll select the post name. First update is here. Second, I'm going to choose the home page that we need to use as our home page. So under customize option, we can choose the home page. And where is the setting? Home page setting is here. We can choose our desired home page. I'm choosing the home name and publishing it. Now all set. We can proceed for customizing the website, and I'll check our website again. Yes, so this is all set, and I can check the inner pages. Speed is really appreciable, and all the pages working fine, all the elements working fine. So we can go for editing the content as per our requirement. All good. Speed is wonderful. The theme is passed in the quality test. Okay, so now you can buy the theme. Again, you have to follow the video description link. Theme is available for $59 through the video description. Once you buy the theme, add theme for it through the link. You can join the iCreate program for free. However, it is a paid program, but yes, if you are following the affiliate link, it is going to be free for you. And you can avail the support services for making your website live and up with the help of mentors. So it is very interactive program, and it is all for you. Now I'm going to show you the elements, the areas that we have received in this installation. Thumbnail regeneration in the background. Okay, so it is going to improve our look and feel at the website when all the thumbnails will be regenerated. It is an automatic process. You don't need to do anything. So I'll show you first of all what we have received as additional links in this installation. MetForm is here. It is controlling the forms here, so it is not configured. As per your requirement, you can go for steps, like these are the on-screen steps that we can simply follow. Just click on next, and MetForm is ready for uses. So you can use this MetForm for creating forms at your website. Dashboard is here, and more flexible and design-friendly form builder for Elementor. Okay, this is really good. So we can use this. So we can check if any forms. So contact form is here. So MetForm is being used for contact form. So it is good that MetForm has additionally been used, because contact form 7 never stores data, but MetForm is going to store all the data in the database here, and you can use the data for your further promotion and additional uses. You can go for settings and all such things in the MetForm. It is a free plugin. Yes, it is included in the theme pack itself. In the next, I can see the header portion where we can edit the header area of our website, like main header can be edited using Elementor. Here we can edit the menu, the logo part, and I'm going to show you. So this is the main header. Here you can change the logo, simply the menu, the hamburger menu, the search, and all, whatever you want to change. So it is very simple. Similarly, footer is another area. So another headers are also available. So footer section is to be edited from this. So all these sections have been made with Elementor. You can simply edit the content. B-Rocket, it's just a product filter, and it is again for Woocommerce and its functionality. And next I can see the ShopEngine. ShopEngine is here, and it is again a great plugin for enhancing the capacity of Woocommerce. So you can enable the functionality like quick views, swatches, wish list, and all such things. And if we check the Woocommerce part of this website, like if we are going to shop, so no products are listed yet. We can, of course, ShopEngine is bringing additional features for Woocommerce, and of course we have all these options. In the Pro version, you have more options. You can enable the quick view, product comparison, swatches, and this list in the free version. Rest of things are in Pro versions. Of course, you can have the Pro version by clicking on this link. WP Social is for social connects at the website. Again, it is a wonderful plugin, and you can use the social share option, social counter, and all such things that is available for your website. On this installation. For editing the home page and rest of the content, you have to edit with the Elementor. Just open the page that you want to edit, and you will be able to edit the content using Elementor. Upon hover, you can check which header part is being used, and you can edit the header and footer part. For rest of the content, you can simply click on Edit with Elementor, and you'll be able to edit the content using the Elementor page builder. It is going to super simple. You can use the navigator, or you can directly jump to the section, click on the pencil icon, change the text. And just what you have to keep in mind, you have to use the same dimension of image, same length of text, about same length, so that you may maintain the design integrity of the website. Rest things will be fine, and you can simply go with this theme, and this layout is really wonderful. So I believe this video remained helpful in understanding the features, the installation process of Pollock WordPress theme, and you are going to use this theme. Follow the video description link, buy the theme, join the iCreate program, and we can really create wonderful website using this theme, like we created this demo website in this video. And it is really awesome. In the next video, I'm coming with more resources. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.